Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can merge two or more objects in your drawings in CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this. So let me start with a new drawing here with a new blank page. And let me add, for example, an ellipse, right? Like this. Let me also change the fill color so that you may see the merging effect. And let me apply any color, any fill color like this. And now let me copy that ellipse, or you can go with a rectangle, right, to make it even more clear, and apply basically the same color, fill color here, right, which one was it, this one here, doesn't matter. So what you want to do is left click into the first one, press and hold left shift, and left click into the second object. Now both are selected. Navigate to object. And then guys, what you want to do is navigate to shaping. And here choose weld, but you can also go with, it depends whether you'd like to intersect, so leave one area here, or for example, front minus back. So it depends on your preferences. I'm going to apply a standard merging, which is weld. And now as you can see, both have been basically weld, which means they have both the same color. So if I, for example, do the following, and let me just undo this, and move the rectangle here slightly above that ellipse, and do the same, watch what's happened. So let me select both of them, navigate to object, shaping, and do weld. And as you can see now, both are one object, right? No grouped object or group of objects, but one welded or merged object. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.